happy belated birthday to the United States of America. 250 years. Woo, baby! I'm in Michigan. I absolutely love where I live. Absolutely love our country and the freedom to be able to do exactly this. Shout out to those that have fought and continued to fight for those freedoms. Woo, baby! Forged Beard Co. has dropped a banger of a limited scent in honor of the 250. The only bummer is that it is a limited set. Straight up, you guys, and I'm gonna talk all about it, I promise. But I reached out to the owner, Jeremy, after I wore it the first time. I said, is this limited or is this sticking around? And he said, it's limited, but I mean, numbers are numbers. If the people speak and they demand it and they love it and they show it with sales, who am I to deny it? So he doesn't have plans for it to become a main line, but if it takes off, he's gonna listen to you guys, and I'm loving this one. Absolutely loving it. Come on, thumbs up for all this stuff if you guys don't mind, all the YouTube things. Let's talk about it here. And to begin, always transparency. I always try to make sure you guys know exactly where I'm at with everything, and I'm an open book. If you ever have questions, reach out and ask. But this is an affiliate of mine. My newest affiliate was the first affiliate I added in the last 2 years. That's how serious I take that process of working with companies, vetting them the best way that I can, making sure we align together, they have quality, they're trying to grow and help the community. This company is that. My affiliate discount code, you guys, is DANC10. Save you guys 10% off your order and support what we do here and support this American company. Come on, baby. That's a win for all. All right, affiliate. 250th anniversary. Here's a really good look. I have the oil that I showed. I have the spray cologne. I believe they call it a parfum. A parfum. It just has to do with the potency of the cologne. And I also have the beard butter. All right. This is all natural. Essential oils only, you guys. So keep that in mind here. This is not a fragrance blend. It is not your normal kind of cologne when we're talking about all essential oils. And please do not sleep on the Carrier blend. We'll talk about that in a bit. It is newly rolled out in full line, but the scent on this bad boy is blood orange, spruce, oud, and cedar. Blood orange, spruce, oud, and cedar. It is so enjoyable. I want to call it a natural cologne, but I don't get the most cologne-y vibes out of it. It does have that oud in there, so it does bring you that kind of manly musk, but I get a lot of spruce. I get a lot of forest. I get a lot of that sweetness of the orange. I get a lot of nature, and maybe that's the way I would say it. Like a nature cologne, a foresty cologne, a woodsy type cologne. Absolutely incredible. I've been wearing the heck out of this one. I genuinely love it. It works great in oil. It works great in butter. And then if you want to just burst that scent, I was going to say spruce the scent up, but I don't know if that works. But if you want a little bit of a jump from the scent, this will work. I'm not the biggest cologne spray guy, but I have used this a couple of times. And as this does fall off, because it's going to get you around what I estimate around 4 hours of stay time, this comes in later in the day to bring it back again, to get that scent. And again, don't forget a little tip, even on essential oils, if you get the beard moist, you get a little bit wet, a little bit damp, some of that scent comes back again. As you have that dry down effect, you still have some of the essential oils sitting on the skin, sitting on the hair, and when you give it water, it's like a plant and comes back to life. So just a little bit, I have like a little misting thing, not like a squirt gun, but like continuous mister, and that does a great job for it. So that's the blend, you guys. Really nice, really natural. Now here's the Carrier blend. I did a video when they started switching over to it, but here's the full blend right now. Apricot, rosehip, moringa, baobab, meadow foam, rice bran, argan, and then essential oils. Like, are you kidding me? Stack that up against some of the best blends in the industry and tell me where they fall short. Tell me a filler ingredient. Tell me something that's not in there with purpose. It doesn't exist. Medium viscosity, does a great job of penetrating into the skin, but also nourishing and allowing you to style. The trajectory this company is going on right now is a beautiful thing, and Jeremy, the owner, is passionate, and he's not afraid of hard work. Down below, you guys, to wrap this up, have you tried Forged? What was your experience like? Feel free to be honest. Uncensored down below, especially when it comes to your thoughts and feelings when you spend your money. Share it down below. Have you had a product that stood out to you, a scent that stood out to you? How was the experience dealing with the company? Anything at all, you guys? And then has anybody tried 250? I got to hear from more people than just myself. I know you guys want to hear from a large sample size as well. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July, and hopefully everybody's enjoying the World Cup, baby! Come on now. Dan C. Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.